Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to teach you how to install Java. I am talking about Java, the program, not the coding language. Well, it's the coding language, but it's the executable version. Okay, we go to Chrome, Internet Explorer, just your browser of choice, and you search Java. You could also just directly go to java.com, but this is also really working. Control that you are getting it from this website and NL and such as because of my region, but just control it's https double points / www.java.com. Okay, in this case we are gonna click free Java install. I accept the license, and now it's gonna download it, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty fast if you have good internet. I have good internet, only my laptop is on Wi-Fi, so yeah. Yeah, just waiting. This is also the most recent version. For older versions, the Java website is a tutorial, but you probably don't want to use those. The latest version almost always works guaranteed for every programming. Okay, we're gonna close that. And now it's opening up. And always just for one thing, see if it's the verified publisher Oracle America, because that's the maker of Java. It could be that if it isn't, it's malware, in which case delete it off your computer. And yeah, you don't want malware, because, well, it's bad. I don't think I actually clicked accept it. Oh wow, I have been a dummy. I need to click yes. Okay. Okay, you can change the destination folder. It isn't needed. I would just want it on my C drive because it's an SSD. And always you are also gonna go agreeing with the terms of service. And just like that, it's installing. Actually still with some 3 billion devices after all those years, so yeah. Java usually installs really fast. It's kind of slow right now because I am recording a video. Also, installing the Java runtime allows you to open apps with a .jar file extension. Apps like these may include legacy versions of Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher. The current one is built in with Java. Certain apps, some that could come to mind, are definitely Minecraft mods or hacks, and also just like certain niche things, like maybe a thing to just delete an entire file for the folder, like really thoroughly, or maybe like a lightweight version of some Android apps. They are almost always in Java, and just like that, if you get this, it's done. You can use it, and you're good to go. Have a nice day. Bye.